Lo mgomo nombandela we-IEC ocikiciwe noqinisekisa ukuziphatha kwamaqembu ezombusazwe kanye nabavoti uthi akumele kusetshenziswe ulwimi oluyinzondo, udlame, ukwesabisa, ukugwazela abavoti futhi alikho iqembu okumele licekele phansi izikhangiso zelinye iqembu.
The following conduct is prohibited under our code: using language which provokes violence, intimidation of candidates or voters, and may I add also including our presiding officers, publishing false information about other candidates of parties, plagiarizing any other party's symbols, name or acronyms, offering any inducement or reward to person to vote for a party, destroying, removing or defacing posters of other parties, carrying arms or weapons at political meetings, marches or rallies, bribing voters to vote or not to vote, and generally abusing a position of power, privilege or influence to influence the outcomes of an election.
Angamakhulu amathathu namashumi amabili nanhlanu amaqembu ezombusazwe azobe engenele lolu khetho bangaphezulu kwenkulungwane namakhulu ayisikhombisa abantu ababhalisele ungenela ukhetho ngokuzimela.
We are breaking records in terms of candidature. The total is 99,116 candidates were nominated to contest these elections. 63,409 were ward candidates, and 35,707 of those were the PR candidates.
Uma kukhona abephula lesisivumelwano likhona ithimba lezomthetho elihlelelwe ukubhekana nalokhu. Kube sekutonyulwa iqembu elizoba seqaleni ohlwini lwamaqembu azovotelwa ingubo yesikhethu party.
The draw has been won by a political party that is called Ingubo Yesikhethu Party. Let me say that again. Ingubo Yesikhethu.
Amaqembu ehlukene ebekhona ukuzocikicala lesisivumelwano sokuziphatha kanti ayalelwe ukuba atshele umphakathi ngaso. Iqembu i-Economic Freedom Fighters belingekho.